So hello guys, today I again come back front of you, and today day is 197, and today we will be discuss about English language. How can we improve our English? And I hope I will try to give some speech in English. Whatever what I will be speak, I will try to speak in English. Through this way, I will improve my English, and as well as you will also improve your listening this way. And definitely, this video is helpful for you. Little bit, not too much, but little bit definitely it will be helpful for you. So let's get start without any delay. So guys, today today I am going to share with you which type I learned this language. I have been learning this language approx you can say since 2022 at last December, but I was not continue with this language. Sometime I do, sometime I consistently work for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month this type. Then after that I leave for 1 month, 2 month. Then again I start this type. I learn little bit this language. Now I am you can say I can talk to with someone, not too much but little, but I can who is beginner, I can talk to with them, and I can convey my thoughts through this language. But if you will say I'm not right now, I'm not fluent in English, but I'm try to add every day some new words, and try to speak, and this way little bit I will upgrade myself every single day. And guys, if you don't know little bit about English, if you don't know little bit about this English, and you should start with grammar. Mostly people they are saying the grammar is not important, but for the rules verb, for the helping verb, you should read, guys. If you will not read, if you have environment like this, if you have English environment, then you can start with speaking. There is no issue. But if you have not environment, English environment, and if you want to really learn this language, then you will have to first you will have to learn the grammar. After that you will start creating subsentences. Where are you sitting, and where are you staying? Just you sit and start thinking for 10 for 15 minutes. Just whatever you are seeing, just make some sentences through those things. And this way, guys, it will take time. When you will make lots of things, that time the gradually we all time uh, think in your mind, you all time you will create sentences in English. And guys, if you are able to think in English, then definitely, guys, it is a great, you can say, a stage. If you know, if you know, if you are started thinking in English, then guys, you should start speaking with your friends, with your family. Nowadays lots of application are available here and there. You can go and talk. And I think you should talk to with yourself. The you already listen about mirror talk. I i i haven't applied mirror talk, but guys, sometime I applied. But if you will talk mirror, then you will know, you will know about your where you are stuck, and you will know about your face impression and all those things about, so you should try sometime. If you will be try, then definitely it will be helpful for you. Because, and you can try like as you can record your video. Nowadays everyone have mobile phone, then you can record your video and start speaking for 10 to 20 minutes, and just again you watch where are you making mistake, where are you make mistake. Through this way, guys, gradually we are learn something. If you will think suddenly I will learn this language, it might be possible, guys. So gradually we are learn something, so it will take time to learn this language, and you will have to give this time if you really want to learn this language. And guys, try to give some time. When where are you right now, it is not matter, guys. It is not matter. If you want to learn, then you can learn, because lots of example are in this world. And guys, lots of people are from village, they have no little, you can't say that they have no environment, and otherwise they learn and they are good in nowadays, they are good in English, their pronunciation, they are speaking in a fluent way, they are speaking fluent through hard work, they are doing lots of effort on their those things, and they right now they are able to speak. And in this way, if you will do, then you will also improve. Just go, guys, I'm going to share channel name. Through this channel I improve lots, because whenever I listen, he only not give you English, he will teach you about something live, how to utilize time, lots of thing. I said lots of thing I learned from that meme. The meme name of Sumita Roy, and his I think channel name is Impact. And guys, Impact Foundation, and it's helped me lot, guys. I can't say thank you so much, ma'am. And through watch your video, I'll improve lots, and still I am improving. And guys, you can also improve, and you should. The ma'am said, some ma'am said, the fourth thing is more important. Fourth thing is more important. First, reading, writing, and listening, speaking. Reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Guys, four things are more important. If you every single day, if you will practice, then definitely it will take. It mean just you practice for 15 days, 20 days. After that, you will be realize what the what is the power. And you know, guys, if right now I'm just taking my example, guys, if you are sitting and you are wasting your time, it is not matter if you just get wasting. But one time, if you will make your daily routine, and if you will start working, that time you will realize why I already waste lots of time of my life. Then this type you will be think, I what I was doing my childhood, now my age is if I continuously I work like that, then definitely I achieve lots of things in my life. So you can start right now, guys. You are not late. You can start right now. If you will think today, and if you will not start, you will be late one day more. So start with today. Where are you right now, it is not matter. Just start right now and work hard for. I'm not saying only for English, lots of things are in this world, you can grow with them. But if you want to learn this language and English, why I'm forcing to learn this language, you know, guys. The English, you can see where are you right now. Just you look around one time, and you see, you find any English word, definitely, guys, you find, you get any word, definitely, I'm sure 100% you will get English. Then that's why I'm saying, guys, the English, why the English is important. Because where nowadays, where will you go, you definitely you will find lots of word and lots of things in English. So we should learn, because if nobody are perfect to his born, everyone are learn. If you are saying some person who are good in English, who are doing great in